Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Ben Lionel Scott channel analytics. Ben has uploaded 75 videos. He now has 1.62 million subscribers with a total view of 140,046,814 views. He's from Australia, and his channel type is education. He created his channel since January 30th, 2013. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 37,346th. The subscriber ranking is 13,570th, and then video view rank is 41,520th. He ranked at 118th in Australia and 784th in autos. Next, the daily subs for Ben is around 1.33k with a daily view of 236,603. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 240,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $960. Then, monthly income will be $28,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $15,840 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $190,080. That is how much Ben Lionel Scott earns from YouTube.